Good morning, dear students. Wish you all very good day. So today, let's starting the language of advertisements. Advertisements of paper advertisement and TV advertisement and radio advertisement. Radio advertisement is only for voice, and TV advertisement is appearing and literally listening voice and watching face. And then another one, paper advertisement means only for we are read and think himself. So now let us learn into paper advertisement. What about that? I read. So please watch and listen carefully, dear students. The advertisement of Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. Madras another called Chennai. So Chennai 36. MTech admission schemes for sponsored candidates. Applications are invited for admissions to MTech program from candidate having BE, BTech, AMIE qualifications with 2 years experience as on 30/4/2011 and sponsored by R&D institutions, industries, engineering colleges approved by AICT with full pay and allowance for 24 months. AMI or other associate membership holders should have qualified either in GATE 2010 or 2011. Applications from admissions brochures can be downloaded from the website. The website name, very careful, www.iitm.ac.in. The last date for receipt of applications with DD for 500 rupees for GER OBC and 250 rupees for SC or ST or PD candidates drawn in favor of the registrar IIT Madras is 21st 4th means April 2011. So 13th 3 2011 assistant register academic year. Okay. So dear students, this is the paper advertisement. So the advertisement, first you read carefully and understand. So they are advertisement about that applications are invited for admissions of MTech. So BTech completed students are applying for higher study, that is the MTech Master of Technology program. So candidates have been qualified BE BTech. So applications are available only for web. Web means World Wide Web. So iitm.ac.in. This is the site of available of applications. And applications, the advertisement is published on 13/3/2011. So the applications are submitted last year is date of last submission. Date of submission of last date 21st April 2011. So they have printed to various two kinds of various categories are published at the payment. 500 of general and OBC categories and 250 SC ST physically disability persons only for. And this is the advertisement. So please read and understand the advertisement. So they are giving some questions. It will be given to 5 marks. So you are feeling to one word answer only. You read, understand the advertisement first, and they are given 5 questions. So your answer to one word answers. For example, so you read and understand the paper advertisement. So what is the questions asking him? I read the questions. Please listen. First question. Any BE, BTech, AM, IE candidate can apply for the program notified, right? So again I repeat, any BE, BTech, AME candidates can apply for the program notified here. So ikkada BE, BTech, AME స్టూడెంట్స్కి అప్లయింగ్ అడిగేడా ప్రోగ్రామ్ గురించి నోటిఫై చేశాడా అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. సో ఎస్ అయితే ఎస్ అని పెట్టండి, నో అయితే నో అని. అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎంటెక్ అప్లై చేయమని అడిగాడా, ఎంటెక్కి బీటెక్ కంప్లీట్ అయిన వాళ్ళని, లేకపోతే డిప్లొమా కంప్లీట్ అయిన వాళ్ళు బీటెక్ అడిగాడా? సో బీటెక్ బీఈ కంప్లీట్ అయిన వాళ్ళని ఎంటెక్ అప్లై చేసుకోమని అడిగాడు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్ ఆర్ yes or no? Answer is no. Second one, your brother completed his BTech in March 2011. Can he apply for this program? Can he apply for this program? So your brother is BTech in March 2011. మీ యొక్క సహోదరుడు మార్చ్లో కానీ బీటెక్ కంప్లీట్ చేసి అయితే కెన్ హీ అప్లై ఫర్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్? ఎందుకంటే అతను అప్లై చేసుకోవచ్చా? సో అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ అనేది మార్చ్లో పడింది, అప్లికేషన్ లాస్ట్ సబ్మిషన్ అనేది 24 ఏప్రిల్ అడిగాడు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎస్ ఆర్ నో ఆన్సర్? Tell me, answer yes or no. So your brother is completed his BTech. So they are asking completed to BTech and MTech. Sorry, BTech and BE. So applying for applications are invited for admissions of MTech program for candidates having BE BTech qualification with 2 years experience. So your brother is completed to 2011, but experience, if you have experience in your brother, no experience, so can apply for this program? Answer is no. And third one, GATE qualification is necessary. Again, GATE qualification is necessary for BE BTech candidates to apply for this program, right? True or false? So third question ఏం అడుగుతాడంటే, ఈ అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్లో ఎంటెక్ అప్లై చేసుకునే వాళ్ళు గేట్ క్వాలిఫై అవ్వాలా లేదా అని అడిగాడు. సో ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ ఫర్ క్వాలిఫైడ్ బీఈ బీటెక్ అండ్ 2 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్డ్ యాజ్ ఆన్ 34/2011, అంటే 2011 నాటికి అతను 2 సంవత్సరాల ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ కలిగి ఉండాలి. సో he had qualified 2 years experienced with BE BTech. So answer is false. And how can one get the application form? అంటే మీరు అప్లికేషన్ ఫామ్ ఎక్కడ నుంచి పొందగలరు అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. హౌ కెన్ వన్ గెట్ ది అప్లికేషన్ ఫామ్? సో ద అప్లికేషన్ ఈజ్ అప్లికేషన్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ website. So the download application website name. So fourth is mention website name. What is the website name? www.iitm.ac.in. So fourth దానికి ఆన్సర్ ఏంటంటే www.iitm.ac.in. And fifth one, so write the last date for submissions of the application. Write the last date for submissions of application. So the application will be submitted last date mentioned in advertisement. That what is that date of submission of application? The application submission date of 21/4/2011, 21st April 2011 answer. So how to make advertisement, how to read advertisement and understand, and how to answer they have given questions, we are answered how to. So now we had learned to how to answer the advertisement, understand about that. This is the intermediate second year language of advertisement. So one of the advertisement has today we have learned. Thank you students.